we're giving you the creative power to create your own templates for the emails you're sending right from Drafted. Let's take a spin through, shall we? So we've already hooked you up with ready-made templates for both getting intros and emailing candidates directly. Here's how making a template works. Click Add Template, give it a name, create your subject line and body, then use our keywords feature so that your email becomes smart enough to add specific information like names and job title. Send yourself a test email to see how it looks. Then click Create and boom, your template is saved. Now, whenever you reach out to a candidate, you'll be able to pick the template you want to send. Now it's your turn to get your hands on templates. Create responsibly and happy drafting.